Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a QR code in Python with just 3 lines of code. This is super easy, especially for beginners who want to try something quick and fun with Python. Let's dive in. So, first things first, you'll need to have Python installed. Make sure you also have the qrcode library. If you don't have it yet, just open your terminal and type pip install qrcode pill. This command will install the QR code library along with Pillow, which lets us work with images in Python. Alright, now for the code. First, I'm importing the qrcode library as QR. Then, I'll use qr.make to generate a QR code for any link or text I want. Here, I'm using my blog link https://atscholzer.blogspot.com. This is a great way to share links without typing them out. Finally, I save the QR code as an image file by calling im.save and naming it its studentpage.png. And there you have it, your own QR code, ready to be shared or printed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tricks and Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.